This 2017 Little Guy T&B is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Little Guy is 15 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 2, self-contained, water heater, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Little Guy T&B is 1,670 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.